Good day, sir. I'm Noven Velo from 3ECE-A. I will now present to you my laboratory exam activity number 1. As you can see, I already did the program and this is the result. As I run the program, I will first load R20 with hex 99. And this value of R20, I will move it from R0 to R7. As you can see, as I run the program step by step, the R0 to R7 is now loaded with the value of R20, which is hex 99. And I will continue this process also in R12, R30, and R31. As you can see in R12, this is also hex 99. As you can see also in R30 and R31, the value is also hex 99. Next, I will proceed to laboratory activity number 2. In this activity, we are tasked to assemble and program to add all our single characters of our last name and save the result in R16. And my surname is Velo, and I will load all of the letter of the surname, which is equivalent to hex number, in R16 to R19. As you can see, the equivalent letter and hex value of my surname is now loaded to R16 to R19. And now I will proceed in adding the step by step the letter of my surname. As you can see, as I add the B and E, it will result to 9B, which is consolidated by this equation, which is already solved. Next, as I add the 9B and 9B and letter L, which is 4C, the answer is in R16, which is E7. Next, as I add the E7 and 4F, the answer is 36. It is because it is only an 8-bit and it can read the another bit. Next, I will proceed to laboratory activity number 3. In this activity, the program is given, and I will now examine the status register and step by step the program. The first instruction here is the load R16 and R17 with hex value FF. And now I will add the two values R16 and R17 and load it to R16. As you can see, the answer here is FE. It is because as we add the FF, it will cause an overflow in our given. It will produce another single bit. As you can see in the status register, the H, S, and NC is raised. It is because C, because there is a carry. C, because there is an overflow, because 255 plus 255 is more than the 255, which is cannot read by this program, and H, because there is a carry in this part, and S, because there's a sign, and then because this is 1, which is equivalent to negative. Next, as I continue run the program, I will now load R16 with 1, hex 1, and hex 2, and now I will add the 2. As you can see, the answer is loaded in R16 and nothing happens in the status reg, and I will continue. As I decrement 3 times the value, the Z is 0 because it is 0, and as I load and LSL, the binary equivalent, it is the B and N is triggered because it become 80, 1 0 0 0 0 0. And now as I load again the 0F and increment it, nothing happened.